The Office of the Children's Advocate is reporting an increase in instances of child abuse in school sports. But in tandem with that worrying development, more parents and guardians are pushing for justice on behalf of their children. Karen Madden has been talking with the Children's Advocate.
In an exclusive interview with TVJ Sports, Children's Advocate Diane Gordon Harrison revealed that over the 3-year period 2017 to 2019, there has been an increase in incidents. According to her, 4 cases were reported in 2017, 7 cases in 2018, and 12 in 2019, accusing coaches and sports managers of a gamut of abuses.
When we talk about acts of violence, we're talking about physical violence, which would be the beatings and so on. We're talking about sexual violence. And of course, there's emotional violence, where there's no physical contact that is made, but the kind of contact one is inappropriate and tends to vitiate against the well-being of the child's emotional or psychological state.
She also revealed a worrying trend.
We saw, for instance, that the vast number of cases were sexual offense matters, in which we had all sorts of propositions, photographs of body parts, requests for certain things to be done in terms of sexual favors of the full gamut, are really coming into the main as part of the focus. In fact, if I may refer to my notes, we saw that 13 of the reports were of a sexual nature.
Gordon Harrison gave details of some of the cases.
Another 7 were physical abuse in the form of beatings, and then we had 2 forms of negligence, and also there was 1 emotional, where the child alleged that she found out that she was pregnant and she was encouraged to have an abortion by the coach.
And though daunted by the lengthy legal process and the fear factor, the Children's Advocate says an increased number of parents are insisting on justice.
Now, we know that for a very long time, America has been a very litigious culture, and it has caught on to some extent within Jamaica. And so you do find that you have more parents who are pressing matters to the farthest extent that they can take it, if they feel that there has been a wrong that has been done to their child, and if they think that the wrong is so egregious that they should in fact get some remedy on behalf of their child.
In recent times, a case of physical abuse and very technical resulted in an out-of-court settlement, while a football coach at Mona High School was sentenced to a combined 16 years and 3 months in prison as punishment for having had sex with a 15-year-old minor. And earlier this month, a mother of a former Heidel student-athlete accused a member of the staff at the St. Catherine-based school of beating her daughter with a tennis racket. That case is one of those now being investigated by the Children's Advocate. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.